Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's start with the personalizations. Let's go to the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll and find this Google Services section. Tap on it. Then tap on All Services, and here scroll until you'll find the ads. Let's tap. So here we've got something called Advertising ID, and basically because of that your device is showing you personalized advertisements, and even though removing it will not limit the amount of the adverts, it will basically remove the personalization, which is also great because thanks to it we are not I'm not sure how to say it, but we are not forced to see the things which could be interesting for us. So first of all, simply tap on Reset Advertising ID to reset it completely, and then delete it. Tap on Delete Advertising ID, and thanks to which the adverts won't be that personalized. Another thing which we can do in the settings is to set the private DNS. So in the left section, scroll up and find Connections. I believe so. And tap on More Connection Settings. Then tap on Private DNS. Right now it is automatic. However, let's simply tap on Private DNS Provided Hostname, and here we have to enter dns.adguard.com and tap on Done. Tap on Save. And as you can see, we've got the private DNS set, and it should really limit the advertisements. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check the apps which are showing you a lot of notifications about the advertisements and try to limit them. So for example, let's pretend that I'm getting a lot of notifications, advertisements from Play Store. It's just an example, of course. Simply tap on it and hold it, and tap on this info icon. Then let's go to notifications and try to turn off the notifications. It will work if this app is not showing you also important notifications which you need, right? Because right now we will simply block all notifications from this app. We can also change the style of the notifications which will be shown. So for example, we can display it only as the app icon badge. So you can try to do something like that in order to limit the notifications, in order to limit the advertisements which you get. And another thing, the last one, which is probably quite normal and quite obvious, but I think it's worth saying, is to try to find the ad block. Let's go to the Play Store. Here, just tap on Search and enter something like ad blocker, something like that, and try to find the ad block which will meet your expectations. So for example, we've got the ad blocker for the browser, for the specific browsers. We've got the VPN also. We've got the content blocker, a lot of stuff from which we can choose. And I really highly recommend to download something like that, and it will for sure limit the advertisements which you can see. And of course, I highly recommend to also consider replacing your current apps in which you're receiving a lot of advertisements into others. So for example, if I'm receiving a lot of advertisements in my file manager, I can simply try to find another file manager. Just enter the name of the app which you wish to, and as you can see, we've got a lot of apps thanks to which we can replace the app in which we're receiving notifications about the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.